हेलो एवरीवन। हमारा आज का टॉपिक है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल। इन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल वी विल डू सम कैलकुलेशन और वी विल यूज सम फीचर ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, हाउ टू ओपन? क्लिक on start button and search for Excel will appear on the screen. You have to click on this. Your Microsoft Excel screen will look like this. This is file menu or window button from which you can save your file. After that you can give any name in the file name and then you have to click on save option. Your file will be saved with the given name. After that, these are columns and these are rows. To select any row, you have to click on the header of that row and header of that column to select any column. This is called a range. Range means जहाँ से आपने स्टार्ट किया है और जहाँ पे आपने लास्ट कॉलम को, लास्ट सेल को सिलेक्ट किया है. दिस इज कॉल्ड रेंज फ्रॉम A2 to D5. Now this is name box. This is formula bar. Whenever you write any formula, then it will show in the formula bar. There are 3 sheets by default. If you want to insert more sheets, you have to click on this insert worksheet button, or you can even press shift plus F11 button from the keyboard. Now if you want to change the name or you want to delete, you want to insert more, you want to change the color, you can choose any option. Rename will help you to change the name whatever you want to give. Just by right clicking over here and click on tab color button to change the color of your sheet. Whenever you click on another one, the color will shown on your screen. After that, you want to delete it, you want to hide it, anything, any option you can click according to your requirement. After that, if we talk about the calculation, Excel is mainly used for large amount of calculation. Whenever we want to do any calculation, as we have these numbers, Hindi marks and math marks, and we want to do the total over here. What is the procedure to do the total? There are so many options. For example, there is a auto sum option. Auto sum will select and automatically will do the calculation. But if we are going to use we can also use formulas to do the calculation over here. For example, we will write formula over here. You can see that if I will type something over here, then it will be shown in the formula bar. What I have to do is equals to sum of first number and shift के साथ L के राइट साइड पे जो डबल क्वोशंट का है सिंबल, उसको यूज करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट द नेक्स्ट नंबर वी विल क्लिक फ्रॉम द माउस एंड देन शिफ्ट और 0 बटन के साथ ब्रैकेट जो है उसको बंद करके वी हैव टू press enter button from the keyboard. You will get the total of all these. After that, autofill option you can use. What is the use of autofill function? Autofill function will automatically fill the remaining, will do the calculation for the remaining by using this formula. What we have to do, we have to put the mouse cursor at the right bottom corner, then our cursor will convert from white to black like this. Plus symbol will be shown. We have to press and have to drag and you can see that all the calculation have done very easily. There are so many more functions that you can use over here by clicking on this auto sum के बिल्कुल right side पे you can see a black drop down arrow is there. You have to click on this. You can do average, maximum value, minimum value. There are so many more functions also. So if you want to do the sorting, you can also do. If you want to put your data in ascending or descending order, you can see. Let me show you something. As we have to put all these in the ascending order or descending order, then you have to select all these, and after that you have to click on sort the data. It will ask you to smaller to larger or larger to smaller. For example, we are going to smaller to larger. Sort. You can see that it is in the increasing order: 45, 56, 64, 64, 121 and 176. Similarly, we can also do max min by clicking on the drop down. Maximum, click on the maximum number, then you will get maximum number at the end also. Similarly, you can find the minimum value. You can see that 45 as shown on your screen. You can do any type of calculation over here. This was all about the functions or formulas that you can use over here. And there are some more options that if you want to insert some row or column or want to increase the height or width of any row or column, what is the procedure? If you want to increase the size, you can just drag by clicking on the header. You can see there is a partition between A and B and everywhere. So you can put your mouse cursor over here. You can see the changes. Your cursor will change into two header error, left or right. And if you want to increase, drag to the right side, it will increase. To highlight this area, you have to mention the border. Border is here. You can put the border, all borders. You have to click on all borders. Then this selected area will be highlighted, or it will be used header, border, sorry. The next is how to insert a row or column. If you want to insert more subjects over here, you can right click on the header and you have to click on insert. You can see the changes that where you have clicked, there is a new column. And if you want to insert any row in between these, then you have to click on that one after which you want, and you have to click on insert. Then a new row will be inserted. To select your whole row, you have to click on the header and you have to click on the column header to select the full column. Thank you for watching, and you do practice of all these.